You just order yourself a brand new Ultimate kit. You open the box, fired up, you just got it, and you pull out this. You're like, what the heck is this? This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Ultimate Cleanser. This is Swipe. What I'm gonna be explaining in this video is what Swipe is used for. Because not only is it used to clean the natural nail, there are many other functions that are going to increase your chances of success when it comes to doing enhancements. Check it out. All right, so when you get your brand new bottle, you're gonna take it off and you're gonna notice that, right, it has this pump. You're gonna screw that pump on, you're gonna take it off, boom. And then there's a lock on it, right? So the pump has a lock. If you twist it to the side, you're going to notice that when you pump this, right, boom, you can see that it fills up with the right amount that you could use to cleanse. So again, when you're not working with it, just lock it. It's in a lock position. And then what you want to be able to do is twist it to the side all the way and then keep your fingers off to the side just like this. And you're going to notice that you're going to be able to fill your lint-free wipe, right, with the right amount to cleanse the nail. All right, first thing I want to be able to show you is what you're going to be using this for the majority of the time, right? Because I get this question all the time. Greg, do I have to use Swipe? Can I just use alcohol to clean the natural nail? And the answer is no. Alcohol will leave a residue on the nail that can actually lead to lifting. You want to be able to use the right cleanser that is going to create, right, a balanced pH level on the natural nail that is going to clean the oils and contaminants from the surface of the natural nail and prepare it for protein bond application. Right? Those are just a few things that are gonna make, again, your nails stick better. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so if we're working on the natural nail, let's just assume that I'm gonna come through and we're just going to quickly remove shine from the surface of the natural nail, right? All the way around, tickle, tickle, tickle. You're feathering away all the shine. You have all that residue on the nail. And then what we can do again is we're going to pump, right? A nice healthy amount over the surface. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub the surface of the natural nail, right? And look, again, I'm working on plastic and you can see there's a little bit of grime on the surface. This is going to clean the surface of the natural nail. And what it's also going to do, it's going to balance the pH level of the natural nail. As you can see, it starts to turn chalky white. And this is the perfect step so that when you apply protein bond to the surface, right, you are going to set your nail up for the ultimate adhesion. I do recommend applying 2 coats, okay? So, this is the same preparation you're gonna be using for acrylic, hard gel, gel polish. You're using Swipe to clean the nail and preparing it for application. All right, now, let's just say you just got done finishing your nail. Boom, right? You're just so stoked, you just got through, everything is absolutely in perfect shape, right? Boom, just like that, right? You're gonna take a look down the barrel of the nail, right? I'm gonna be like, okay, I need to make sure that I have everything even. I'm gonna make sure that I get it all dialed in so that my C-curve is perfect, right? And you have all this dust on the nail. You can't apply top coat to the surface of the nail, right, and expect a clean application. What are you going to use? That is correct. Swipe, right? So there's 2 things you can do. You could use the wipe, or you could choose to use a manicure brush to pump over the surface. And look at this. What I'm gonna end up doing is coming through and dusting out cleaning around the crevices, making sure that I'm removing all that dust from the surface. Then again, if you choose to use your lint-free wipe to clean the surface and prepare it for protein bond application. That's right, protein bond. Protein bond over the surface of the enhancement is going to increase adhesion with your gel polish as well as your top coats. Prevent them from chipping from the surface. So you want to be able to use this to clean the surface of the enhancement when you're done file finishing. All right, you're done file finishing. You apply your protein bond over the surface, right? Boom, just like that. What it's gonna be is the perfect anchor to whatever you want to apply over the top. And I'm going to apply a really nice, even coat of stain resistant over the top, right? Because we want to make sure that we have a perfect surface that is not going to be stained by anything. Boom, right over the surface. I'm gonna go ahead and get this inside the light, right? For a minimum of 2 minutes. All right, so after the stain resistant top coat has cured out, and again, this also works wonderful for gloss gel as well. The dispersion layer is the tacky layer, the after cure, right? When you come out of the light, it's that tacky layer. I'm going to be using swipe to remove that dispersion layer from the surface, right? Once I'm done removing the tacky layer from the surface, right? We're gonna have a brilliant shine on the nail, and this is going to set us up for some cuticle oil application, right? And as you can see, the surface is non-tack, super shiny. It is the perfect gel cleanser. So just remember, you guys, just remember that it's not just for preparing the natural nail, it's also for preparing the surface of the enhancement so that when you apply your gel top coats, you're gonna have a smooth surface, and also you're gonna be able to wipe that tacky layer from the gel after you're done.
We absolutely love making videos here at Young Nails, so don't be shy, go in the comments, tell us what you want, and we promise we're gonna give it to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe.